In this video, we're gonna find out how this store does more than $1 million every single month on Shopify. Let's find out. Hey guys, it's Rafael here, and in this video, we're gonna go over a store that did more than $1 million just last week, but I'm also going to be reviewing 4 stores that you guys submitted in the Facebook group. I asked who wanted their store reviewed, and you guys submitted a lot of stores. I picked the top 4 of those, and I'm gonna review them in this video. I will also be giving out free winning products at some point in the video, so you wanna watch it until the end. These are products that do more than $10,000 every single month in multiple niches, so I wanna give them to you, but you have to watch until the end so you can find those products. And before we start the video, I want to congratulate Michael NG for being the winner of the call giveaway. If you want to win a one-on-one call with me to analyze your store, analyze your strategy, ask me any questions you want, all you have to do is comment secrets, comment the word secrets down in the comments below for a chance to win. Congrats to Michael, and let's see if you're the new winner. All right, so this is one of the first stores that you guys commented, mytruesleep.com, and this is the homepage. Although we're not gonna focus on the homepage, we're gonna focus on the actual product pages. Let's go into this product page. First thing I noticed, I would remove this AdSense or these ads that you're putting on your page. You want to keep people on your store and on Shopify. Another thing is the price is fine. I wouldn't put it as such a low sale that lowers the value of your brands and your products. So I would put it like, maybe here I would put like 30 maximum, just so it doesn't look like you're undervaluing yourself. The add to cart button, I would change it to more of a lighter tone. Red symbols danger and problem, so you don't want to go with red, and you don't want to go with such a bright color. You want to do more of, a light orange or a little bit of a green or blue. The product pictures are fine, although the first picture I would put a person under so you can relate more to it. Description is long enough, it's pretty cool. I would add either a GIF or a video to it just so people understand the product more. And then in the bottom, the customer reviews. All right, they're from Ali Review, pretty good. As long as they're all good, then that's awesome. The second store, Preggy Belly here, the first thing I would change is the logo size. That really hurts you when people are visiting from mobile. The logo is too big, so that kind of messes up with people going through your site. We're gonna go into one of the products here, let's say nappy bags and carriers, and let's click on one of the nappy bags. And it's not letting me click, so you want to make sure that when everybody clicks, the product goes directly to the product page. On here on the product page, I would make the same thing. I would just lower the logo size, and I would make it that it scrolls down with the site. I would add reviews. There's no reviews on this. And then again, the add to cart button, you guys are making it very bright and very like on your face. You want to make it a little bit fall into the theme of the website. So in this case, I would put it as a green or light or even black here. The guarantee safe checkout, I wouldn't have this guarantee safe checkout plus these 4 on here. I would essentially have either one of the 2 or just have the black and white ones or the gray ones. They look a lot better, they look a little cleaner. And on the bottom here, I can see your description is a little bit too small and it doesn't look that well as here. You actually have some things missing on the actual page here. So you want to make sure that these things, like for example here, ordering from your store name, you want to make sure that everything on your page is very clean and looks really nice. And on the bottom, the reviews, there are no reviews. So the color and everything looks good, but you want to make sure that all your products have reviews. And in the third side, favorite collections here, this is the homepage, but let's go into one of the products. For example, this one here. And the first thing that I noticed is the title is a little bit too long. So you want to have titles that are from 5 to 7 words long, not this long, because it kind of messes up with how you perceive it. And then in the bottom, the add to cart, always make it a full black color in this case. So don't make it just the letters and the background white, make it like an actual full color. And deal of the day, I would just take this out. I used to use these Horrify countdown timers and all these countdown timers before, but it's actually better not to have them because people don't trust your page as much. The description on the bottom, I would remove this. A lot of people use this because it's the AliExpress description. I would completely remove that. Apart from that, the images are completely fine, although I would have the person wearing the actual product as the first image always. And then in the bottom, your description is a little bit too long in this case, so I would make it short and sweet, now that people have to scroll down all the way through the page. And obviously on the bottom, you have no reviews, so I would add reviews for sure. On the bottom, either with Luke's or Ali Review, you can check them out in the description below. And now we're gonna go into the store that has done more than $1 million just last week, so we can learn a few things from it. And this is a store that I was talking about, iCoolGadgets.com, and we're gonna use this extension called Commerce Inspector right here. And as you can see, $1.1 million in revenue just last week from 22,000 or more orders. And the lovely thing about Commerce Inspector is you can see the exact best-selling products that are making them that money. The sales here, you can see every single sale or the number of sales that those products have generated for the store. Also the products that they've been adding and how frequently they're adding products and what the tags are that they're using on those products. The apps that the store is using. So if you find a successful Shopify store, you want to check out the apps that they're using so you can model it. And obviously the best-selling page, which is going to pop up right now here. And you can see all the best-selling products here, this bounce car little product and these insoles, magnetic insoles, and all these products right here. This is actually one of the products that we're selling. So I can tell you, yes, it is definitely a bestseller. Let's go into this one so we can analyze the product page. And as you can see here, what I do want to go into is their actual product description. And they go into very, very detail of what the product has and what it includes. And they make sure for you to understand the product properly before you end up deciding to buy. So you can see here a very well resolution picture on the top. And then you have this really good description on here, a little bit of bold just to emphasize that specific sentence. And then you have a video here explaining what the product does. Always having a video, a GIF, or an animated series on a product does really, really well. Then you have more description, another like step-by-step image, which is also pretty awesome. And then the unique designs tells you specifically how the product works, other features of the product, more and more features. And it's a very well laid out description. And this is what you want to do for products that people can't really understand off of the first look. You want to really help the customer understand the product and what it does and explain it in heavy detail. So if you go to the store, you want to check out their best sellers, all you have to do is check out Commerce Inspector and it'll tell you. And this other Chrome extension that I love, which is called SimilarWeb, it also tells you where their traffic is coming from. So all these sales are mostly coming from Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram, which is really good to know. And then the geos, United States, Canada, France, UK, etc. So it's really important to see the stats because they might be making a bunch of money, but they might only be advertising in one specific country. Now you know, okay, they're advertising US, Canada, which are the top ones that we advertise as well. Then a last store here, crazyoffers.com, with this little catnip sugar toy on here. I would remove your name and I would change it to something that has to do more with the products that you're offering. A lot of people put like deals or crazy offers, crazy gadgets on their store titles, and that kind of hurts your perception of value. So you want to remove that as much as possible. And on the product page itself, although it looks good, I wouldn't put this as a green button that says buy now and then with the emoji. Looks a little bit spammy, so you want to take that down a notch. And then on the bottom, you have way too many scarcity apps like limited stock, people viewing this product and then ordering the next, and then in the bottom 10 sold. That is way too many scarcity apps. You only want to choose one and just have one for that. Free shipping worldwide. Description is fine. Shipping should be good. And then delivery and returns, why buy from us? That's perfect. And then the reviews on the bottom, you want to check them. All right, awesome. As long as you have reviews, that's awesome. And if you have all the reviews as a 5-star review, you want to make sure that at least 1 or 2 or 4 stars, just to make it a little bit more believable. Nobody's going to believe you if all your reviews are perfect on your store. Apart from that, it's a pretty solid store. On the top, it says, got a question, email us, we'll reply within 24 hours. That's awesome. Your collections are pretty good, although some of them need some capitalization and changing the actual names of the collections. But apart from that, as long as you take those things out, it's pretty solid store. And for the special point, I'm giving away these free products. We're gonna go into my computer and see the exact free products and why they sell. And the product that I wanted to show you is this little incense burner here with a little Buddha statue. And these products sell really well, especially if you have a store that has to do with women or a lifestyle brand. These products sell insanely well, and a lot of students of mine are actually selling these products very profitably, literally all over the world, like all over Europe and the United States. So this is a great product to sell and variations of it. So if you go to the left hand side here, you have a dragon one, you have another one that's more creative. So you have all of these products that are incense burners, and they're all like ceramic, really, really cool design incense burners. They sell really well, and it's products that you can have very different designs. Let's say this one has 269 orders, looks very different than this one that has 800 orders, looks very different than this one that has 500 orders. So these products, people buy a lot of them and people like to collect them as well. They like to have a lot of these products at home that are essentially the same, but they look different and they make the feel and the home decor of your place very different. That's the end of this video, but if you want to learn how to find products just like this store that is making more than $1 million a week, check out the video right here. In this video, I explain my 3 best product research strategies that helps me find products that make 6 figures or more per month and that these stores and my colleagues use to find epic products. You want to click the video right here and I'll show you my best strategies to find really good winning products. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, click the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one.